Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Xero. Today we are going to learn about how to create a product or the items in the Xero. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have a products and the services. So here you can see that there is no items created for the invoice. Whenever we generate the invoice, there should be item that should be selected, right? So we are going to create the items first, then invoicing. Okay, so first we will create the items. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So here we go. Okay, so here we have required the item code, new data item object where we required item code that should be unique, description, name. So here we will add the iPhone 15. Okay, an item description, unit price. Okay, with your unit price you can add, and you can include additional properties as required by the item creation endpoint. Okay, you can add whatever you can add. Okay, then the endpoint. Okay, so base URL, then items. So here in the items object you have to send the new item data. Headers, you have to pass authorization tokens, zero tenant ID, accept application JSON, contact type should be application JSON. And response, you will get new item created. If something goes wrong, then it will go to the fail to create the item, error response dot data. Save this. Let's try to hit. Okay, so here we go with this one. New item is created, and the item is this one, iPhone 15. Let's have a look. Reload this. Now you can see iPhone 15 is item is already created. Now you can see that. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.